Hello, nice to know you are here once more. The title of this video is Break the Cycle, Overcoming Limiting Beliefs About Money. Yes, there are many limiting beliefs that people need to overcome about money, and you are not different. Limiting beliefs can hold you back from financial success. Do you know that? If you believe, then this is what you should do if you are suffering from limiting beliefs about money. 1. Identify your beliefs. Write down any negative thought you have about money and challenge its validity. Yeah, any negative thought you have about money, write it down. One of them could be that my father was not rich, so I cannot be rich. No, that is invalid. The fact that your father was not rich doesn't mean you will not be rich. Or you say much money brings problems. No, those are unfounded beliefs. So challenge them and forge ahead. Number 2, reframe your mindset. Replace limiting belief with empowering affirmations about wealth and abundance. Yes. Always think about more. Yes, because the more you think about more, the more nature will send more to you. 3, surround yourself with positivity. Engage yourself with communities or content that promote healthy relationship with money. Yes, always think well. Think well about money. Read more information about money. Involve yourself in communities that talk about money. Let money be the talk. Yes, that will overcome the limiting belief. Now, do you want to transform your belief in financial success? Learn more from my book titled The Life titled the 15 Secret Practices for Living Your Wealthiest Life. The link to this book is below this video. Click on that link and the best will be yours. Thank you.